kitchen. I have a pot of black beans going for some black bean chili, vegetarian. And I have my wet ingredients, orange and red bell pepper, some Anaheim pepper, onion, I forgot the garlic, and my seasonings. Got some harissa, fenugreek, turmeric, a ground coffee mix, and I forgot what the other one was over here. Oh, I think this is a cumin. Yeah. So let the flow heat and cover this with a lid, and I'm going to move on to the next. My spices all ready for my roast that I'm going to sear in the pot. Cut up some veggies and potatoes and put it into the oven. This should be fun. My roast is all nicely seasoned. I have my fire. Let me turn this light. My fire with my lemon oil, and I'm just going to put this baby, and I'm just going to sear it on all of its sides, just to kind of get that flavor in there, and off it goes into the oven. Celery, garlic, red onion cut up to be sauteed into my pot. Here I have some sweet potatoes and some rainbow carrots right there. This is actually a carrot, and right there. I love using the rainbow carrots because I think they have a heartier flavor. Plus I like the color. So now I'm going to move over to my roast, and it's over here. I took it out of the pot. So now I'm going to add this mix to it and scrape all those good bits off of the bottom. Add a little bit of wine and add my roast. See that sizzle? I'm all done. I'm not trying to saute these because these are going to cook down in the oven. I just wanted to deglaze the bottom of the pan, which I did. So now I'm going to turn this off and put my roast and everything back in. That's in the pot, all nice and seared. Have my onion, red onion, celery, and garlic in there. And I'm just kind of going to layer the pot, you know, like with the potatoes and carrots around. Put a lid on it and put it into the all ready for the oven. My polenta bread is ready to go into the oven. Beans are off and done. Got my cabbage sauteing. I have to stir it. Here are my spices for the cabbage. And I'm going to take, oh my God, my roast out of the oven. Almost there. And this is my roast with onions and potatoes, celery. So, oops, okay, can't get too close. And here's my green, sauteed green and red cabbage. Here are my black beans. Let me see if I turn this light out. Can you see better? Maybe. Well, that didn't help. I turn the light back on. And here's my polenta bread. So everything is done. Sunday dinner with Allie in the kitchen. It's ready.